Dear student, today we will start with our Unit 3 Information Security Process. So, the information security is a proactive process to manage the risks. Unlike a reactive model, in reactive model, first organization experience the incident or risk and then it take the steps. But in proactive model, first we take the prior steps to reduce the harmness of the risk. Okay, so in the reactive model, the total cost of the security is equal to cost of incident plus cost of countermeasures. But until an incident is occur, uh, we don't know the cost of the incident, and organization also don't take any steps for that incident, so the cost of the incident is unknown. So that is why the cost of the security is equal to the cost of the countermeasures. Okay, the process of information security is a continual process which consists of the 5 phases, that is assessment, then policy, then implementation, training and audit. So these are the process of information security. Then first step is assessment. Okay, so the information security processes begin with the assessment. The assessment means it checks whether the organization is and where are the organization is going. An assessment is used to determine the value of information assets, then the size of threats and vulnerabilities, and the importance of the overall risk. So the goals of the information security assessment are to determine the value of the information assets. What is the information in the organization and what is the value of that information. Then to determine the threats to the confidentiality, integrity and availability to those assets. Then to determine the existing vulnerabilities inherent in the current practice of the organization. To identify the risk with regard to the information assets, which risks may occur for the information. Then to recommend the change of the current practice to reduce the harmness of the risk, and to provide a foundation on which to build an appropriate security plan. So these are the goals of the assessment. There are 5 general types of assessments. First is system level vulnerability assessments. Here all the systems means computer systems are checked and it is assessed. Then network level risk assessment. Here the computer network and all the networks like LAN, MAN of the organization is accessed. Then organization wide risk assessment. Here the entire organization risk is assessed. Then audit, specific policies are examined. Then penetration test means organization ability to respond to when some intrusion is examined. So this type of assessment is performed only against the organizations with mature security programs. Okay. So how we will do this assessment? So there are 3 primary sources: employee interviews, document review and physical inspections, that we will see in the next lecture.